Hello. Um, Good afternoon. It's kind of a funny day. I'm just gonna go quickly over what happened this morning. As you can see, I'm literally 59 cents in the green today. So I guess you can count it as a green day, but it's really just a break-even day. It kind of stinks, kind of embarrassing. There was one stock. Let's see, I don't even remember what it was. Um, Aha, BSPM. So check this out. Look at this one here today. Um, Pretty crazy. As you can see, it went from an opening here at around like 250, 260 areas, and then it went all the way up to, you know, right under $6, 5.97 by the time it got to a top. So essentially, what all this means is that I missed out on a huge opportunity for a couple of reasons, which I will show you right now. Just trying to make this pretty. Functioning. Okay. Here we go. Come on. What the heck? Sorry, I should have done this before I started the video. Okay. Anyway, um, let's see here. So you see, this is here on the 1 minute. You see the daily down here. It's been up pretty high this past year to $38, and you see it was just kind of down, kind of showing some upward momentum there. Like no volume or anything, no big moves. But then here today, I guess it was kind of just a breakout that everyone kind of jumped on because you have this little daily bull flag, kind of like super duper small, but there's no no news on it. It's just a daily breakout. And it got up to 6 and then came back down under the 200 daily moving average for the 200. Okay, so anyway, let's see here. Um, so basically today, yes, it's kind of funny. Um, I took a trade here. Pull this over. Alright, here we go. It's gonna start picking up here for you. So, as you see in this little right hand corner right here, my first trade is at 9:32. I got up really early this morning. I don't know why. Dude, it's kind of crazy too. So, anyway, so let's see here. BSPM at 3:54. So, if you look down here on the 1 minute here, I mean, look at this. Look at that. That's crazy. At 3:54, I was in right here, you know? So imagine all this to the right was not there at the point where I got in at 354. I mean, I didn't know it was going to go all the way up to almost $6 at 5.97 as at a top, you know? So I didn't know that. Okay, so when it popped up like this the past couple of days, all this whole week and last week kind of too, things would kind of get like this, just no news, no volume before pre-market or anything. They just kind of pop up and then go straight back down 10, 25, 50, 10 cents or whatever the move is, you know, relative to how high it went up in the first place. If it went up 50 cents, it would go back down 40 really quickly. And it was like, okay. So I was a little cautious, but then you could see like when the level 2 is ticking really fast, like this is pretty slow in comparison to when they really start getting going. And you can see in the time and sales column right here, it's like a bunch of green buying, and you can just tell there's so much volume in these volume bars that's picking up. So I kind of was looking to get in right here. Okay, so there wasn't like a clean 5 minute pullback right here. Okay, but there was like this. So I mean, it was kind of, you know what I mean? Like it was kind of a pullback, but it kind of wasn't too, because the ranges were just so big. So it wasn't kind of like super clean, because our daily mover, like our pre-market gapper, the one that was big, LMFA, was kind of just selling off again or something like that. Or I can't tell. I can't remember which one it was, but it just kind of opened and sold completely off. It was just crappy. It was just pre-market moves and it was crappy. So whatever. So anyway, that's okay though. So but that kind of set this one up really nicely because then this is the first one to start moving with a lot of volume, and then everybody jumped on it because they were like, "Oh, cool! I want a piece of it." And it didn't hit any circuit breaker halts, which is kind of crazy. I don't know why that sorry tends to happen, but it does, and it did. So anyway, I got in at 354, and I just sold as soon as it started to spike up a little bit with like a hem and flows of kind of getting like these spike up and down within these 1 minute and 5 minute time frames. So it's just like I bought in and then it kind of popped up higher, and I didn't know if it was gonna go higher. I thought this could have just been like a false breakout and it could have dropped down, so it's still kind of risky. So I was like, okay, cool, whatever. Still a small account. Let's just get this. I'm not gonna hold this super long with 1,000 shares because that's what I had at the time, 1,000 shares. So I sold on the ask at 365, which is kind of pretty low, even for that spike. Cause look at all this, just 1 minute later. So I should probably get in the habit of holding some that look really strong for kind of a little bit longer, like 2 minutes or something, and kind of just sell half or something like that. I don't know. I kind of got to change that up, but the whole scalp mentality that I was taking into it, it was kind of good because I was up $100, That's 11 cents on that trade right there on 1,000 shares. That's $110, and then $20 with this what do you call it? Um, this commissions. So then it's like, all right, I'm up $90 like immediately right in the beginning of the day. This is cool. And then I just did some stupid stuff. I see, and back at 4, and then sold at 394 because it was kind of shaky, and I didn't trust it too much. That it could have been a really big loser, but I reduced all my share sizes down so I could reduce my risk a little bit if it did go south, so I could protect some profits, which I kind of did, but really well, but just barely over the 0 mark. So that's kind of funny, dude. So anyway, then it went on margin restriction as it got up and so volatile. So then when I was trying to get back in, um, through the $3 and $4 mark, and then into the $5 mark, I was just like, I had that FOMO, the fear of missing out. That's why I took 220 shares at stupid price of $5.58, and then $3.91. I thought I could get back in there again, as it did this kind of thing. So I don't know, dude. It's just stupid. Just a lot of stupid trading. That's all it is. It's like I just wanted a piece of the action because I saw people that were making thousands and thousands of dollars, and I was like, oh man, I'd love this to take this opportunity and like get a good short or trade or something out of it. So it's like, so it's okay though. It's whatever. Um, you know, I did give back $100 or $90 of profits from trading and having little losses, and this was a little win, but it was really break even with commission. So I was like, yeah, okay, whatever. Yeah, so I mean it's cool though. That's good, but there's really kind of a loss after commission, $4 loss after commission. You can see right here. Berg, that was a circuit breaker halt. I'll pull it up for you. It got halted, and I just added into the halt down here. Let's see, where is it? Right here? Yeah, 391. I just added right into the halt, and then it spiked up a little bit, and I was trying to sell up in this area, up and around here in this range, and then just like it was being really weird, and it wasn't showing a good signs, so I just kind of said, okay, cool. I get out, but I couldn't sell on the ask, so I had to hit the bid, and I barely stopped out before it was a negative or red trade, so that's cool, but kind of stinks. Whatever, what are you gonna do? I mean, also, if I had the $2 commission deal with the other broker, which I just need more money to get into because I have such a small account, so they won't host me per se. Okay, so anyway, once I get some more, I can get over there and then get $2 commission trades, which is great. So that'd be sweet because then today this would be $8 in commissions instead of $49, and then I'd have like $48 extra on the days. So it'd just be sweet, and then I wouldn't have any margin restriction. I could have taken those trades and made good money, so whatever. Those are excuses, but so anyway, it's just the fact that I couldn't get into some of these when I wanted to, or I should have just been a big boy about it, I guess. I don't know what you'd call it, but I should have just gotten in immediately when I saw it spiking up with that much volume and strength and potential. So maybe I should do that on Monday. We'll see. But anyway, it's Friday, January 26th, 2018. And thanks for watching. I'm going to try to make these videos more interesting pretty soon. I don't know how. Maybe like a little intro video or something cool. Or actually have the webcam up through my phone application right here. That's kind of cool. It's always nice to see my face. And then maybe I'll do some educational type stuff where I show you like what I'm talking about and some terminology. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, this is really all just for fun. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay. This is cool. I'll see you later. 56 or 59 cents up today, which puts me at like 70 something dollars on the week and 59 cents at the end of it. So, okay, cool. Whatever. It's all good. So, $70 on the week is good because then if I could just, I really haven't been tracking my weekly stuff, even though, it did happen, whether I was green or red or negative or positive on the weeks prior. But I could start now this week. And that's what it's going to be my new goal is to just stay positive or green on each week. Okay, because then it's like kind of keeps it in checks and balances. Because like if you have good green weeks, you can have good green months. And in order to get good green weeks, you gotta get good green days. So it's just kind of like if that's my goal, it's a good medium or middle range, a mid ground. Because it's like okay, cool. If I made $200, $300 on Monday, then if I make a $50 loser on Tuesday and the market's slow, then I can just be like, you know what, I'm green on the week, zoom it out a little bit. Okay, this is cool. I can just go do something else and just close up shop for the day, as they say. Okay, so that's kind of cool. That's a game plan, that's a strategy, it's a thought process, all that kind of stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you on Monday. I don't like weekends. I like to have this stuff to do. I like trading, so I guess so. I don't know. Anyway, um, it kind of stinks, like Saturday, Sunday. It's 2 long days, man. I just want to get back to Monday, which is that's kind of crazy. It's kind of weird, but I guess I just gotta go enjoy my youth. My birthday's coming up anyway next weekend, so wee woo. Okay, anyway, okay, but goodbye, guys. I'll see you on Monday. I'll see you later. Goodbye. See you on Monday morning or Monday afternoon, I guess. Okay. See you later. See you later.